Hello everyone, welcome back to another video, and today I'm going to show you how to do blaster and shooting effects in a Star Wars stop motion. So first of all, you have to get a couple of things. You have to get a working stop motion cam, a Lego clone, a, a Lego blaster. If you don't have a Lego blaster, you have a Clone Army custom blaster, that's totally fine. But the second method I'm going to show you will not work for you. So the first thing you want to have is a piece of glue tack and a blue lightsaber. You want to have this blue lightsaber basically because it will be the primary laser shot that you're gonna shoot. Okay, so now you proceed to put the gun at an aiming scope and you take a photo. Okay, once you've taken the photo, you will want to put the glue tack. You have to be careful because the glue tack might get sticky in your gun, but it's not important. So here I proceed to put the glue tack in the gun. I personally like putting the glue tack in the gun and taking a picture because it makes a very nice effect. Okay, so now I put the glue tack in the gun and just take a picture. You'll see that this is a quite nice effect. Okay, so once you've put in the glue tack and you've taken a picture, you're gonna want to put the lightsaber attached to the glue tack. You have to make sure that that lightsaber has to be very attached to the glue tack. Basically, because it will make like a straight effect, and some smoke effect. Now that you've do this, you want to shoot a photo with your GoPro. So once you shoot in the GoPro, you are gonna wanna put the laser in a position that that your fingers are not seeable, but the bullet is. You'll see later in the stop motion that this effect is gonna look very nice. So now what you're gonna want to do, if you are in a hallway or in a stretch, not very large place, you can always stick your glue tack to the wall and make like the actual fire or laser is actually traveling by its own, which is not. But you know what I mean. I personally like using the setting at between 8 and 10 frames per second. It really gives it a nice ambience and a very nice, a very nice clip. Okay, so imagine now the blaster hits the wall. You don't want to put it like I just put it. You want to put it like it's centered, and it will create a very nice effect where it is like it is actually damaging the wall, which is a very nice. So you now gonna want to take a photo, and this is basically how you shoot with this method. Quick demonstration. Now I'm going to show you another method that if you have these Lego guns are very nice. But if you don't, there's actually a piece that is very rare. I'm going to show you now. This piece, it's not very rare, but it's not certainly common. And when you're using a blue lightsaber, this piece is in blue. I have to say they're very difficult to find. I only have one and I lost it yesterday. So I'm using the glue tack method. But if you have these Lego blasters, this method is actually very nice. Okay, so you're gonna use a red lightsaber and a red piece, or the color this, and you're gonna stick it the red piece to the gun. Okay, you also have to aim first, and after this is put, you take a picture. You take a picture, and once the picture is taken, you're gonna wanna put the red lightsaber in the piece. Okay, and you have to straighten it up so it looks good. And once this picture is done, the thing you're gonna want to do is hold the lightsaber off of your screen and pull the gun up to create a recoil effect. Okay, I'm showing you how it will get. You'll later see it in the stop motion. Okay, so you see in this part, um, and this thing is very good to create multiple blaster fires at once. Like if it is automatic gun, this effect is actually very nice. Okay, so once you've done this and you want to do repeated blaster fire, you're gonna repeat the same thing again and again and again. You'll notice that it looks quite sick after when you put it all together, and it's quite realistic. So if you're finding this video helpful, please drop a like. It will help me grow my channel and make more tutorials. Okay, so um, thank you all guys for viewing this video. Subscribe, and if you wanna keep updated on more how to and the brothers stop motion animation. So subscribe for more and push notification. Here you have the demonstration.